MerchantNet is tailored for manufacturers, factories, exporters, buying offices, sourcing agents, importers, and trading companies in softline products, including garments, fashion accessories, footwear, and home textiles. Our system tracks costs, quotes, purchases, and sales, enhancing sales and profit margins by identifying the best suppliers and customers. With quality assurance modules, we compile inspection results to pinpoint top vendors, reducing waste and inventory costs. Difficulty tracking development stages and order confirmations. Resources wasted on non-ordering customers and lack of supervision. Uncertainty about order statuses during production. Lost or duplicated purchases due to poor inventory control. Individualized document formats leading to misunderstandings. Time-consuming document retrieval without a centralized system. Lack of proactive quality audits for potential issues. Instant style development reports for tracking costs and orders. Cost comparison and raw material price reports. Waste control and inventory management modules. Quick generation of sales and gross profit reports. Standardized document formats and user-friendly tools. Quality audit and delivery assessment capabilities. Support for multi-company and multi-currency operations. Modules for lab dips, fabric approvals, and retail price calculations. AQL inspection modules and comprehensive shipping document generation. Development cost analysis for monitoring sampling costs against sales. MerchantNet offers a comprehensive solution to enhance efficiency and profitability in the merchandising process.